In today's video I want to discuss part 2 of shaders in Threejs. Now I have already discussed the setup for shaders in my previous video, so go watch it if you haven't already. So yeah, let's get started. Continuing on where I left off in the last video, what I have done is that inside our mycanvas.tsx file, uh, go to uh, go over to the raw shader material, and here you can see I have added a uniforms, and inside that I have added u frequency, value of vector 2 type, a u time which is value of 0, and u color 3 dot color. Now I have tried passing an hexadecimal value over here, but unfortunately it didn't work for me. That's why I have just passed the value of the color directly. Next you will have to go to your tick function, and here I have first defined our clock, then I am getting the elapsed time inside the tick function, and then I am incrementing the u time value depending on the elapsed time. Next what I have done inside vertex.glsl is firstly I am getting the u frequency, u time. Okay, forget about this two for now, we'll discuss this later. And I am changing the model's z position depending on what is the u time. Okay, so that's what I'm doing, and here I'm using frequency x, and here I'm using frequency y. So here you can see that this is a vector 2 u frequency, this is a float because we are passing an integer value. And what else we were passing? So yeah, color. So for color you will have to go to fragment.glsl, and here you can use uniform vec 3 of u color and just pass it something like this. So if you check, now my output is like this. So as you can see, it is kind of like a wave of orange color. Okay, so here you can see, I think better now. Next what I have done is to use texture loader. What if you will have to do first is I will comment this out or comment this too. Okay, here you can see I'm using a vec2 of vuv, and I'm passing it over texture 2d, and then setting that to our texture to our frag color. Okay, I will save it. Next inside over here you can see I have defined a uv as well as vuv, and here you will have to assign that over here. Next inside over here, so inside our, so here you will have to add this flag texture. Now how to get this flag texture? So I have just added a flag of French flag inside my public folder. You can use anything, doesn't have to be a flag, and I am using texture loader property, and using that I am loading that texture. So I will just save it for now, and here you can see now I am passing a texture from JavaScript side to the shader language. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.